Hi Donald, welcome to Delhi. So, what is your collaboration with Thalassemia? When you was approached for this event, how you look forward to it?
See, first of all, I didn't know the name of thalassemia when I was actually approached to it. See, I'm an educated person. Still, I don't know the name of it. Then, people who are actually getting thalassemia and they are not from the urban background, in the rural places, how would they get to know about it? So I was amazed and I'm so honored that Fortis chose me and called me up here to aware. I actually googled about it. I studied a lot about it, how it happens, when it happens, what are the cures, so that if I am aware about it, then only I can aware other people also around me. So that is what I came here for through the social media. Social media these days, it can go to any place. So through our social media, through our voices, we can aware people, and I'm fortunate enough to be here and tell my people who are following on social media, who are watching my content, who are seeing me on TV and different platforms on web. So I just want to aware all the fans and all the people around that be aware about thalassemia and other diseases also. It's not just thalassemia is happening. There are many other diseases which we actually don't know, but you can actually Google about them, that this is the problem which we are facing and what can be the cure of it. So you can, maybe that's curable, as thalassemia is.
Is there any specific plan to promote this on your social media? As you said that, like you do have a huge fan
Why
following.
not? Why not? Social media is not just posting our own pictures, It's telling people that what is required, awareing people for the social cause, and I feel so responsible for it. I'm not here just to act. If I'm here and people look up to us as their idols, so why not? The idol is not just who is just on screen and acting. An idol is how the person is in person and what they can preach you, what they can teach you as well. And that is what I'm doing.
I just heard that Rangbaz season 2 is also on board. What do you have to say about it?
I don't know about Rangbaz, but Tu Zakham Hai has been a very, fans were really eagerly waiting for season 3. So fingers crossed for that. Hope so that the producers come up with a great script for season 3 as well. Got lots of love for that.
And what else is in the bucket?
Oh, a South film. So I just completed a South project. Two South films I've shot till now. So let's fingers crossed when it's gonna get released, and looking forward
And
to
who
it.
is in opposite, like the actor?
Oh, I can't reveal. As of now, I can't reveal. But when we're gonna talk about that project, then definitely I'm gonna tell
Also,
everything.
we have seen you in Big Boss 15. So after Big Boss, do you follow Big Boss? Like,
I never used to follow Big Boss. That time also when I get into. I've not seen my episodes as well, but I think it was a great opportunity, and I think it was a great learning getting into Big Boss, and there are a lot of different people you meet there, and you evolve as a person. So that is the learning which I've got from there.
so after Big Boss, you never watched
Oh
Big Boss?
no!
Is there any favorite memory from the Big Boss house?
I was there for a very little time, just for 18-20 days, and I think that's not my cup of tea at all. I just went there just for the love of people and the love of the Big Boss makers, the Colors team. I just went into, and a favorite memory is when I actually came out and I saw what kind of love you get onto social media and wherever I was going. Actually, when people say that they want to become like you, and they were crying when I was crying, all those things.
Emotions.
Yeah, so that emotional touch which I felt when I was inside, and when I came out and I saw all that it really happens. You get connected to people around the world for what you did. You don't know actually, but it's a lovely memory.
One last question: how is life without the phone inside the house? Like, and when you come
It
out?
was a bliss. I don't like my phone at all. As I said, I would love to use it just for the awareness and just to make people know, okay, I'm doing this, I'm doing that's all I am doing. I'm not on social media as of not that much because, yeah, I would agree that at the time of lockdown, everybody was on social media, and I too was. I opened up my YouTube channel. I did a lot of things on social media, but after a while, you just feel like, oh, okay, done. It's done. You are not that person, that. I'm not that much open towards social media because now it's like once you are there on phone, सुबह से लेके रात हो जाते हैं यार, and it's a time waste. You sometimes you feel it's a time waste. So I think you just should have a time कि आप 1 घंटा मैक्सिमम देखें, सुबह देखें या रात को देखें. That would be the right way of using social media. Don't make social media use you. Use the social media, I would say. And yeah, एक और मैं आपको बात कहना चाहूँगी. It's very interesting. मैं 2024 में सोशल मीडिया करना कम कर दिया, एंड माई फ्रेंड्स हु न्यू मी दैट कि यार हर रोज़ एक फ़ोटो डालती है, कुछ ना कुछ स्टोरीज डालती रहती है. सो नाउ people are like, are you fine? Because I'm not on social media, should I not be fine? So that was a very jerk for me to understand the thinking process of people. If you're not on social media, that means you're not well or something mishap has happened. No, it's not like that. I think as I said, you should use social media. Don't get used by it.
One last question: is there any upcoming TV project?
As of now, lots and lots of love for those who keep approaching me for TV. I love all the channels I've worked with and all the production houses, and feel so loved every single time I get a call. I say, give my love to the heads. So that's all I can say. As of now, I'm just busy in the south field. So let's see. Hope for the best.